AI is changing the game faster than ever. From automating your daily tasks to boosting productivity, AI tools are the future, and the future is now. But which tools are really worth your time in 2025? In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 most in-demand AI tools you should learn, use, or even build a career around. Let's dive in. Welcome to Bright Learn Education. Tool number 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Number 1 on the list, ChatGPT by OpenAI, the tool that started the AI boom. It's not just for chatting anymore. From writing full YouTube scripts, generating code, solving customer support queries, to helping students learn faster, ChatGPT is your all-in-one AI assistant. And with its latest GPT-4o update, it's faster, smarter, and now understands voice, images, and video too. Tool number 2, Google Gemini, formerly Bard. At number 2, we have Google Gemini, previously known as Bard. It's Google's official AI assistant, and it's tightly integrated with Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, and even YouTube and Search. Gemini can summarize your emails, write full blog posts, create charts in Google Sheets, and even answer questions based on YouTube videos or PDFs you upload. It's incredibly useful for students, researchers, marketers, and anyone who already lives in Google Workspace.
Tool number 3, ElevenLabs, for AI voice generation. And finally, ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice tool. It can clone your voice, narrate your scripts, or even dub videos in different languages. It's used by YouTubers, audiobook creators, and even brands. No more robotic AI voices, this sounds real. Tool number 4, Runway ML, for AI video editing. Next is a game changer for video creators, Runway ML. From text to video generation to background removal and special effects, Runway brings Hollywood-level editing to your browser. Their Gen 3 Alpha model is now producing realistic AI-generated videos from just a sentence of text. And the last one, Veo V3, Google Veo. Veo is Google's latest and most powerful AI video generation tool, and Veo V3 refers to its current most capable version, as of mid-2025. It's positioned to compete directly with OpenAI's Sora, and tools like Runway and Pika. AI tools are evolving rapidly. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, learning how to use them now will keep you ahead of the curve. Which tool are you using daily? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to upgrade their AI game.